Smooth as sugar sweet. You got what I need. Sipping on the potion. All that good emotion. Just my kind of heat. Keep it on repeat. Tested by the potion.
Okay, today we have a special treat. I'm not much of a sugar fan, but Rosey makes this cake. I thought it was a cobbler, but it's not. It's a cake. It's a blueberry cheesecake, but kind of looks like a cobbler. It's hard to explain, like a big, thick brownie. But blueberries is what got me. And blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. I'm a sucker for that. And I'm not too much into sweets, but sometimes you gotta have some sweets. And this was delicious. I told her I wanted to film it. So here she is. She's making a blueberry cake, cobbler slash whatever, but it's very good. She starts off with 2 sticks of butter. She's gonna put them in the bowl. She's gonna whisk it. I think she's adding 2 cups of sugar. She's going with 2 full cups of sugar in the butter with 2 butters. Now she's gonna whip it. Are you gonna whip it yet?
Yeah.
Oh, she's gonna add some salt. How much?
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of salt. 2 cups of sugar.
1 teaspoon of salt.
2 sticks of butter. 1 teaspoon of salt. And
whip it for 7 minutes.
Whip it for 7 minutes. So she's gonna whip it hard. We'll come back to you after the 7 minutes. Well, light and fluffy. She's looking for the light and fluffy. I like light and fluffy. We'll come back to you on that. Okay, here we are. Rosey already whipped it for about 10 minutes. 7 minutes. And she's got it the consistency she likes, the fluffiness. Yeah, it looks really fluffy. Okay, and now she's gonna
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
And give it a good mix.
Another 20 seconds at least.
Yeah.
Just mix it up.
Then we're gonna add 1 egg at a time.
Room
temperature egg.
Room temperature egg. Yeah, they've been sitting out. Okay, room temperature egg, 1 at a time. She's gonna, I guess, whip it for about 20 seconds, and
yeah, get it.
So mixed. We got mix, and then she's gonna go. She got 3 more eggs, and we'll pick it back up after she adds each egg and give it a 20-minute whipping. And more. And another teaspoon? Oh, that's it.
That's it.
Okay, just the eggs, and we'll pick it back up when she's done with all the eggs. And you know the shells are going to go in the garden. All my shells go in the garden. Rule of thumb in the house. Rule. Okay, now she's going with 3 cups of flour. She already got her eggs whipped in there, and it's nice and fluffy again. It only took about 20 minutes per egg. And now she's getting 20 seconds per egg whipping. And it's all nice and fluffy again. She's putting 3 cups of flour. She's digging it. That's all-purpose flour.
Yes,
all-purpose flour. There you go.
Adding a little at a time and whipping.
And she's going to be adding a little at a time and whipping. Okay, I'm sure everybody who makes cakes is kind of like maybe the same process. I'm not too familiar with that, so this is all kind of new to me. But I see them making sweets a lot, and it's kind of like I kind of stay out the way, and watch what they're doing from afar. But lately, they've been making some really good. Rosey's been finding recipes and kind of tweaking them up a little bit, and that's what she did with this one. She found one recipe, and then she decided to add cream cheese. So she kind of already has it in her head how to do it, and it's really good. She makes it with strawberry, cherries, or blueberries, but recently she decided to add cream cheese. That's why, and anything with cream cheese, man, I'm down. So that's my weakness right there, cream cheese and whatever. Okay, so we'll pick it back up. She's gonna add all that flour in there with 3 cups and whip it as we go. Save you the agony having to watch this process, but basically that's what she's doing. We'll pick it back up when we get to our next step. Okay, the oven just sounded at 350 degrees. We had it turned on earlier. We got it set, so I don't know. We'll come back to you as far as how many minutes and all that. She's got that down. And now she's working on the cream cheese. Okay, she got one stick of cream cheese, 1 8-ounce stick of cream cheese in there. And she's going to add some whipping cream or milk. You can use milk or whipping cream or half and half, whatever you happen to have.
Half a cup of
Half a cup of whipping milk?
No, half a cup
Oh,
of
half a
powdered
cup
sugar.
of powdered sugar. Half a cup of powdered sugar in the cream cheese.
And about a teaspoon of
Teaspoon
vanilla.
of vanilla. She's gonna eyeball that one. I guess if it's a
And
little
we're
bit.
going to whip that together.
And now she's gonna whip this up. Is that standard for cream cheese? A powder? That powder for cream cheese? Or?
Yeah.
Okay, I guess that's a standard cream cheese recipe right there. I'm sure.
Sometimes they put like a cup of powdered sugar, but I don't like it that sweet.
Yeah, that's right. Not that much sweet. I know some of those Mexican cheesecakes are not sweet at all. The ones they have at the panderia.
No.
I like that. I don't like them too sweet. I've had them where they're just too sweet, or I didn't like it.
And then I put just a little bit to get it a little softer.
You put just a little bit to get it softer. There's no measurement of how much?
No.
Of the whipping
like a
cream?
teaspoon.
A teaspoon of whipping cream just to keep the texture soft.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
And I just taste it to see how I like the consistency of the sweetness.
Okay.
I like it like that.
She likes it like that. Okay, she's good with it. And that was how much? That was half a cup.
That was half a cup of.
Half a cup of powdered sugar
Yeah.
per stick of cream cheese, per 8-ounce stick of cream cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. So I think you got another stick, right? To do the same process.
No, this is it.
This is it. Okay. Okay, because you had 2 of them out. I saw another one over there. That's it.
Yeah, I didn't know if I was gonna use 2 of them or 1.
So you only need 1. Okay.
Oh, I'm gonna use 1.
I guess if you make a bigger cake, you double everything up. Yeah. All right. We'll pick it back up. Okay, here we go. Rosie's she's using her pan. She has a regular pan that she uses for home cooking, the one she lays out for us. But unfortunately, I'm just gonna film this. I'm not even gonna get a taste. It's just gonna be eye candy because she's taking this to work, and then she might bring some back, but she has her hogs over there to eat it all. Well, I'm not gonna say no. I'm not gonna say that because somebody will work sees that. No, they're just gonna eat it. It's so good that there's gonna be none left. So she's gonna leave this over there. And there she is. She's spanking the. And where is this? That's a voting place where everybody votes.
Yes.
Oh God! You know they're not gonna bring nothing back. They're gonna.
So you spread this on the bottom.
Spread the mixture of the flour
On the bottom.
on the bottom. And she's gonna. I guess she's gonna fill out that whole pan, right?
Yes.
Okay, we'll pick it back up when she's finished on another step because we're gonna try to limit these videos. There you go. Well, you get the idea. We'll come back when it's done. Okay, the filling that she's using is this right here. Great value. I guess she gets it at Walmart. They come in. This is blueberry, strawberry, cherry, raspberry. It already comes the big can. How many ounces is that? That's got to be more than 12 ounces. Like 16 maybe?
That is. It says 5 pounds. 21 ounces.
21 ounces. I was way off. Okay. 21 ounces, a big fat can,
So
and it's all.
Just spread it out.
And I'm sure if you buy fresh blueberries and fresh raspberries and strawberries and you make your own filling, it's probably a lot better. But hey, this is a quick recipe. She's knocking it out. It's gonna be done quick. She's taking it to work and all that. And I know, cranberry one would be good too, huh? Cranberry. Well, I don't. It's kind of sour. I like sweet sour. Hey, hush over there. We'll pick it back up. She's gonna get all her filling spread, and then we'll see.
Spread.
Well,
It's already spread.
okay. Well, what else are you gonna do after that?
Now I'm just gonna scoop that in. And
Scoop. Okay, scoop the top of the filling. You just gonna smother it on top or what?
This you just put down
Okay, here she goes.
little
drops of the cake mix.
Yeah, the cake mix.
That's why I thought when you first made it, I thought it was a cobbler. I don't know why, but I guess it's made different ingredients, right?
Yes, it is.
Okay, this is cake ingredients, not cobbler, not pie ingredients, right? Cake ingredients.
Right.
That's the difference. But the presentation looked like cobbler when I saw it because it was kind of.
I'm gonna do the
And now she's
same thing with this.
okay. Now she got some more of that cake on top. Now she's gonna go with the cream cheese. That's the extra step that she added to the original recipe she found online. Okay, so now she's gonna come and hit it with scoops of cream cheese in between the other
it's
scoops.
So good.
Yeah, it is good. I liked it. I'm not too much of a sweet fan, but blueberries. I love blueberries. I got a blueberry tree growing out there, but it hasn't put out. I think it did put out
It has a
blueberries.
whole bunch of blueberries.
It
out there.
does?
No, not blueberries. Those are the what are those out in the
Flowers?
back? The ones in the back, raspberries or
Oh, raspberries. Those are raspberries. Yeah.
those are coming out.
Those are gonna come out. If I could, it's gonna be a battle between them damn birds. I'll tell you that right now. I'm gonna go hang some CDs on there or something. Find out what I can do. Oh, we got the cats. Hopefully the cats help me out. We'll see. It's gonna be a battle. Battle in the garden. Okay, so now she got the cream cheese in there, spread out really good, mixed in with the dough, and it looks kind of sloppy, but it looks good when it comes out.
Yeah. Wait till
Okay.
you see how it looks.
So
Put
now,
it in there for 50 minutes.
15
No, for an hour. For
1 hour.
1 hour.
But I guess when she means that, you're gonna check it about 45 minutes to see how it
I'm
looks.
gonna check it. Yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll pick it back up. So now she's setting for 1 hour, and we'll be checking it at 30 minutes and 45, and we'll see how far it goes. Because we eyeball everything here. We don't really have no recipes. It's all in our heads. We put it together. We find recipes, we tweak them up, and we make them our own somehow, one way or another. That's what everybody does, I'm pretty sure. Oh, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Wow, it looks kind of toasty there.
Clean.
Clean, that means
It's
good,
ready.
right? It's ready?
It's ready. Yeah.
Oh, man. Wow, it kind of looks like a marshmallow topping
I know. That's from the cheese.
from the
It
cheese.
looks like a meringue.
Like a meringue. Man, this one looks a little different than the last one you did, but it looks better, though.
Because it's a little bit smaller than I used.
Oh, man, that looks... I like the cream cheese that have that type of brown crust on there.
Oh, yeah.
And it's a shame that we're not even going to be able to taste this. You know, it's just an eye candy. Eye candy for me too. Eye candy for everybody. Maybe one day she'll make us one. I'll see you on the next one. I like to try the strawberry one at least. Make a little bitty side one for me, please.
I'm going to make that.
Okay. I'll see you on the next one, guys. But that's Rosie's version of blueberry cheesecake. Next time we have to slice it, that way you can look at it. But
Yeah.
that'd be next time. Just letting you know that was a quick recipe. I think I could even manage that cake because I don't know how to cook any kind of cake. But this cake, I think I might, even though I shouldn't. All right, guys. See you on the next one.